PlayStation is getting this error NP-34958-9. Today in this video, I'll be showing you quick and exact fix for how to solve this issue. So let's get right into it and let's see the step-by-step process. Alright guys, now how to fix this error. Interesting enough, some people are getting other code NP-34958-5, but it's the same exact thing guys. So now let me show you how to solve this issue. And guys, do let me know in the comments down below with this error if your apps are locked. This error unauthorized the content that you own. So is that the case with you? Do let me know in the comments down below. Now here is the thing. To solve this error, you need to change your one important setting into the PlayStation settings. Now there are tons and tons of people reporting this same exact error. And here is the thing guys. They are saying that try changing the DNS to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. But here is the thing. How can you know this is the fastest DNS? That's the most important issue. Which DNS is the fastest one according to your region? Now that's why I'm making this video to show you the fastest DNS available in your region. Now obviously given these DNS, you can put in the Cloudflare DNS or probably put Google DNS and it should probably work. But here's the thing, it may not work fast. So if you are playing multiplayer games, like always, the latency will be the issue in some of the cases. To access your network settings, head over to the settings, network tab, click on setup internet connection, use LAN cable or you can use Wi-Fi, whatever connection you are using. Then into custom, into automatic, do not specify, and right here into the DNS selection, select the manual option because that's what we are going to change. And then you need to change the primary DNS and the secondary DNS option. Typically 90% of the people are putting 1.1.1.1 primary DNS and 1.0.0.1 as a secondary DNS. But here is the thing, these DNS might not be the fastest one. So given the reason, you can try it out these different DNS, primary and secondary DNS. You just put in into your PlayStation 4 network settings, DNS settings. But according to my research, Cloudflare DNS should work out fastest. Then try OpenDNS, also Google DNS. Now which DNS is faster for your particular region, you'll have to check and see that. So given the condition, try putting these DNS. If let's say Cloudflare DNS or normal Google DNS doesn't work out for you, there are many people I see right here into the comment section basically reporting that the fix is not working, and here is the important reason guys. The fix is not working because the DNS is not appropriate for your particular region. So try out different DNS and that should fix your issue. Once you set your primary and secondary DNS, you can just hit next. If you need, restart your PlayStation and you should be good to go. Do not use the test internet connection, that may ruin the fix. So guys, do let me know in the comments down below which DNS has worked out for you so other people can get the feedback. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe